Good evening, everybody. It's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia. So far, you have 4 clues. I'm going to try to run the clues again before we get to the submit answer here, just to make sure everybody has them. So, clue number 5, it is a 2-pointer, and it goes as follows. I joined a fellow creator on my birthday during a live. Who was that creator? And the second part of that question, why did we join on a live? So there you have it. Question number 5. And as of the recording of this video, we have 298 subscribers. Yay! Go subbies! Thank you to everybody. Encourage your friends to come along and join in on the giveaway. Okay? I will see you guys soon with another video and some more ASL letters. Until then, don't forget to love yourself, because it is the greatest love of all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And knowing all of that, that I love you. Until we meet again.